Have you ever picked a recipe just because it looked cute? Most of the time. I love exploring recipes I've never tried.
I was looking for bread to go with my moussaka, and I found fougasse. Leaf-shaped, easy, and full of Mediterranean flavors.
Fougasse is a traditional flatbread from southern France. It's often filled with olives and herbs and shaped like a leaf to help it bake faster in old wood-fired ovens. Let's get started. Add lukewarm water and dry yeast to a bowl. Wait 5 minutes. Then mix in olive oil. Add flour, salt, herbs, and olives. Knead until smooth, about 10 minutes. Cover and let rise for 1 hour. A smooth dough gives the bread a chewy texture. Divide the dough in half. Stretch into leaf shape about 25 to 30 centimeters long. Cut one vertical slit in the center. Then 3 to 4 diagonal slits on each side. Shape the rounded tip of the leaf with small diagonal cuts. Open the cut slightly to make it look like leaf veins. Brush with oil and add a few olives. Bake at 200 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes until golden. Fresh from the oven is the best. Look at the crust. Crispy outside, soft inside. And olives give a salty punch. It's light but satisfying. Perfect next to rich dishes like moussaka. It looked cute, tasted great. It made me smile. I'd make this again just for the moment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy your meal.